Good morning, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to make a dish. I'm just putting together some stuff. I really don't know what it's going to taste like, but we're going to see. I'm just in the mood for something different. So what I've got is 1.5 pounds of ground beef, ground chuck, 80-20 meat, and I'm cooking this in my Ninja Foodi. And then I've got a bag of Broccoli Slaw, which is broccoli, carrots, and red cabbage. I'm going to cook that in here. I've got some green onions, and I've got Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce. And I'm not sure what else I'm going to put in here, but we're going to just throw this together and see what it tastes like. And I'm going to fix some other stuff to go with it. And we're just going to have a meal. Ashley quit yesterday, so I have really no idea what really is going on, but she quit, and I'm trying to find somebody. And I'm just really sick of this, and I just want something good and comforting. So it's a rainy, chilly day outside, and I'm just going to put this together and see what I can do. So I'm going to let this cook, cut up the green onions, and I will bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Alright, so I've cut up my onions, my green onions, spring onions, whatever you want to call it. I always use both the white part and the green part. I love spring onions. I think they are so good. And I always try to get 2 packs of them, but this was 6. This was 1 pack that you get at Walmart. It comes in 6 to a pack. And I cut those up, and I'm going to let this saute and get brown. All the ground beef get brown, get done or whatever. And then I will bring you back and we'll add the other things to it. Okay, y'all. Let me zoom. Alright, there you go. Alright, now, the ground beef is pretty much done. It doesn't have to be all the way done because I am going to pressure cook it for a minute. So that, and I'm not going to drain it because it's not very much grease in there. Alright, so I am going to go on and put this whole bag of broccoli slaw in here. Alright. And I'm going to put about a 1/2 teaspoon of Badia complete. It's my favorite seasoning. I'm going to do about a 1/2 tablespoon, 1/2 tablespoon of that in here. I don't know, maybe I need to do a little bit more. So I'll put a whole tablespoon of the Badia complete in here. I'm going to put a tablespoon of chicken broth base. I'm going to put that in here, a whole tablespoon of that. Alright. And then I'm going to put some good splashes of Worcestershire sauce in here. Alright. And I'm going to put a little bit, I don't know, let me see here. Probably a tablespoon of soy sauce. And this is just regular soy sauce. The choy soy sauce. And then I'm going to put about a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper in here. Alright. Here's my pepper. Coarse ground black pepper. About a teaspoon of that as well. Alright, and then I have about a cup and a half of water here. Just plain water. Alright, let's stir this up. Really good. Oh, you see that broth down in there? Oh, it's going to be so good. I love broccoli slaw. Alright, so I've got this stirred up pretty good. Now I'm going to put this on pressure, under pressure. Well, come on now. There you go. Alright, so let me get you down. It's not very much that I can do because it just doesn't, my tripod doesn't go down that far, but let me see if I can get this turned around so you can see. This is my Ninja Foodi. So I'm going to go pressure. It's on high. I'm going to go 1 minute and then push start. Make sure that you've got the back on sealing and not venting. And hopefully this is going to come up, and then we're going to taste this and see what it tastes like. So I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Alright, this is ready. I let it come down from pressure for 15 minutes, and it is perfect for me. I mean, it's just perfect. Look at it. Oh my gosh, it's just, the noodles are just totally, let me see if I can get it up here, or I'll zoom in and show you. And I'm just eating with the paper plate and plastic fork. There you go. Oh my gosh, let's taste it. You know, I was thinking about it as this was cooking. This would be, I think, a lot better with some sausage. Like the, oh, what kind of sausage is it? I'm trying to think of. Oh, I can't even think of it. But it would be good with, not breakfast sausage, but the other sausage. It would be really good with that. And you could put a lot more things in it. I just put the least bit in here, just the onions and the spices. I mean, you know, I did the Worcestershire and I definitely, the Badia complete. I've never really noticed it until this has a lot of garlic in it. And y'all know I really don't like garlic, but I do taste it in this. It's still good though. I love this. And you could do it, I mean, as a stir fry too. But this is really good, y'all. So I just wanted to show you what I fixed to me for lunch today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to my Instagram. And also there's links to different things that you can purchase from Amazon that I use in my own kitchen. So I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.